The second tip relates to your background. In my opinion, great background equals great call. My tip for video conferencing is to be hyper aware of your background. Because it's a video, what you have surrounding you in a frame is as important as making sure you are front and center. Remove the clutter and either have a blank background, like a conference room, or a professional background if in an office. I recommend to use a whiteboard as your background, and that will open many great opportunities to illustrate certain ideas or topics. If you cannot find the right place at your home, add a virtual background if you can. Zoom can do it. A bonus will be making a custom virtual background with the logo of the company you're selling to. But don't be too cheesy.